Yeah, this is Durban Network. Sishilo-ke sathi siyeza kwiKhaba Cup eMlazi. Sesikhona kanti-ke manje nginomfoka Gcaba la ozile nayo la kwiKhaba Cup wathi hayi cha ufuna ukuzibonela insizwa zibhonyana ngebhola. Bafufila kanjani ukuba ingxenye yeKhaba Cup?
But I mean, ngijabule kakhulu mfowethu ukuba part of iKhaba Cup because of last year ingiphuthile ngoba bengisegoli kodwa kulonyaka ngathi cha hayi no ake ngibe ngapha ngasekhaya nami ngizobona abafowethu benza into enhle.
Mfowethu i-tournament le eseyizakhele igama uyabona nje nange-attendance ukuthi isisebenzile le tournament.
Isisebenzile bhuti because I think unyaka wesithathu manje khona mfowethu and isikhulile ngempela mfowethu because of uyabona abantu bayeza in numbers and lento ekanje mfowethu ngiyafisa ukuthi iqhubeke mfowethu because of i-talent it's where lisportwa khona lapha because of nathi siqale khona kulama game akanje ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibonakale professional.
Baningi abadlali abagcina bewela emathimini akwi-professional level abasuke becoshwa ema-tournament afuzele ungathini ngalokho?
Lokho mfowethu kuyinkomba yokuthi eMzansi siyazama kancane sacathula mfowethu ukuthi nathi ibhola lethu likhule ngendlela eright because of abantu abaningi abawathola amathuba ukuthi babonakale because of i-development kwezinye indawo ayibikhona kodwa ke ngoba siyakwazi ukuthi siye emalokishini emakhaya siyo sport italent lokho ibona vele kumele ngabe kuyenzeka vele unyaka nonyaka kumele sikwazi ukuthi siproduce nathi as KwaZulu Natal, Durban because maningi ama-team akhona anabadlali and adinga abadlali ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukuthi sibooste ku-PSL siboosta ku-NFD siboosta SAB you know le sikwazi ukuthi abanye bakwazi ukuthi baye ngaphandle bakwazi ukudlala e-Africa overseas yabo nje sipromote ama-players kakhulu.
Mfethu sesivala nje mhlawumbe ikhona team la uyazelayo amagalelayo ungayifungela ibheje elifaka imali yakho ukuthi hayi bayithathe
but wami mfowethu ngisabona insephe ngoba insephe mfowethu ngiye ngathi ukudlala nabanye babo and I know ukuthi what are they capable of and ngiye ngabona an earlier game bawinile I think it was 3-0 and it was a very impressive game and ibona abantu nami engithi I put my head on the block ukuthi at least abafike final. Yes but
hayi kuzakale ngathi ubakhonza
hayi ukuthi ngibakhonza ngibathembile because ngiyazi ukuthi hey bana something iplan bayakwazi ukuthi bayenze.
Sure mfethu siyabonga kanye yakwethu.
Hayi nokubonga mina
yebo sikhona ansa kwethu si Durban Network nensizwa yakwaGcaba. Danko